Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a healthy ranch dressing. Forget store-bought versions. We'll create a fresh, creamy, and flavorful dressing right in your kitchen. This easy method uses wholesome ingredients, offering a delicious alternative for your favorite salads, vegetables, and snacks. It's a simple way to elevate your meals with a homemade touch. For our healthy ranch, we start with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, which provides a wonderful creamy texture and extra protein. We'll then add 1 teaspoon each of dried dill, parsley, and chives for that classic ranch flavor. Don't forget half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice. A few tablespoons of milk or water will help achieve your perfect consistency. Making this dressing is incredibly simple. Just combine your 1 cup of Greek yogurt, all the herbs, spices, and lemon juice in a medium bowl. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Give it a taste and adjust the salt and pepper to your preference. For the best flavor, chill your homemade ranch in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious, healthy ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect as a dip for fresh vegetables, a flavorful dressing for your favorite salads, or even drizzled over roasted potatoes. To keep it fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This homemade dressing will stay fresh for up to 1 week, ensuring you have a healthy and tasty option on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.